Will you present it for him? Okay. Do we have Zipan? Okay, that you will be next. Just telling you. Okay.
Okay, so I have introduced myself. We are team digits, and I'll be moving directly forward because of the time constraints. So first, we are actually aiming for a strategic planning for managing waste. Then we also propose an effective communication between the quality and the waste management departments. We also propose a reward-based system for citizens so that they can get incentives for the environmental work that they do. Next, we move to encouraging of use of products which are environment friendly, and finally promoting recycling and reusable products. So I start with the plan now. We have four ideas that we are suggesting. One is a rating system for the product waste that are generated. Second is a trash locator, a dynamic trash locator. Third is direct contact with the waste management departments. And fourth is a reward system for the citizens. So I'll be starting with the reward system now. The purpose of, a rating system now. So the purpose of rating system is we'll be rating products according to the waste that they generate. So whether they are biodegradable or non-biodegradable. So just like we have electrical appliances for power rating that we have, we are rating products depending on what kind of waste they generate. So we are also using a 5-star rating system in which the points that we are considering are biodegradability of the product, recyclability, transportation, packaging material used for the actual product, and the final is time taken for degrading of these products. So what we are using is a mobile application in which you can actually type the name of the product. You will be getting this rating, and according to that you can actually choose if you want to buy that product or not. So also we'll be having a suggestion system in which we'll be suggesting alternative products just in case a person search for the product which has a lower rating. Okay, so yes. So this is the procedure of how you'll be doing it. You can just type the name of the product, or you can just scan a barcode of that product to actually get it. So barcodes are present on all products. So that is a very efficient system of doing this. Next we move to the rewarding system for citizens for taking incentives and doing things which is environment friendly. So the facts that we are considering is if a person sets up a new trash can, or waste management drives if he takes parts in waste management drives, or if he reports litter area. So this is all put up in a feedback system by the person, and there will be also a verification about the work, and just like we have social that are here then. Dustbins are classified according to biodegradable or non-biodegradable. So this is dynamic dustbin tracking. Next we have the communication portal. So this is basically, yes. So the communication portal actually works on So the communication portal works like this. So if you have a user and he has located waste, he can just click the picture and send that to that issue would be sent to the nearest branch of waste management system. So the nearest branch would be giving a deadline to that particular person who has issued this report. And there are two cases. One is if he meets the deadline. If he meets the deadline, then that particular branch would be rated at a higher value. And if he doesn't meet the deadline, that particular issue would be moved to the next nearest branch. And a report would be sent against that particular branch to a central department, which can evaluate these reports finally at the end of a month or at the end of a year to take the necessary actions. So to add to this final point, that the costs involved here are actually zero, and this technique is very scalable. So there are no costs except the databases that we create for rating the products and for creating this feedback system which we have implemented for this. So with that, I'd like to conclude.